In this video, we're going to be doing some things to quiet down this annoyingly loud air conditioner, so stay tuned. And we need to start by getting a baseline for how loud our air conditioner is, and it's averaging right around 73 decibels. Now, some of these things are free, some of these things are very cheap, and some of these things may cost you a few dollars, but we're going to see how well these things work. Now, the first step before you touch anything on this thing is you want to jump in here and actually shut your air conditioner down completely so it doesn't start up while you're working on it. Now, most air conditioners should have something like this on the wall. You pop it open, there should be a big thing you can pull out, and that will cut the power to your unit completely. Now, remember a second ago, I mentioned that the first thing is free, and that is just tightening things up. There's a lot of stuff on this thing that can loosen up over time, and if I hit it, you can hear things rattling around. Those things rattling around are going to cause noise. So we're going to grab our handy dandy wrencher socket, come around here and tighten everything up. Now, you do want to make sure not to over tighten things, but go around and check everything because all these panels here are loose. And the next thing I mentioned was low cost, and that is I was missing a bunch of hardware. So I ran down to the hardware store and I got some replacement hardware. We're going to come in and replace some of the missing hardware because I've got a big panel over here that I guarantee was part of the problem. Now, what's interesting is with this unit, and I have had it serviced, the capacitor's been replaced, there's been a couple things done to it. I found almost every single piece of hardware on the outside was loose, and I also found 4 places we were completely missing hardware. So that alone should help quiet things up. The next thing we're going to be doing is a blanket for the compressor that is inside this unit. So we're actually going to have to take this top piece off, get in there, put the blanket on there, and then fire it up. Now, this should help reduce vibration noise of the compressor, but on top of that, it actually should make this thing run a little bit more efficient because that compressor is very cold and it's sitting inside a very hot environment. So let's do that. Now, the first step is removing this fan off the top, and in most cases that is just loosening up these 4 bits of hardware here and flipping it back. Now we're going to gently pull this back, and now we can get in to our compressor. Now the compressor itself is down here inside the unit, and I'm going to get all the way in here so you get a good look at it. So this is the compressor itself, and that's what's making some of the noise. We're going to get the blanket on around that thing. And there's actually 2 parts of the compressor blanket. The first part here goes around the compressor. I had the tripod and everything else in the way, so I had to kind of move the camera to get this thing strapped around, but that portion straps completely around the compressor. Now there's another portion we're going to put right over the top. And of course, in my infinite wisdom, I decided to do this job on a 99-degree day. So my camera keeps overheating. I've moved it a little bit off of where the AC is and into the shade. So I'm going to show you that top piece. This top piece just slips right down over the top of the compressor, and then these little straps hold it in place. So I'm going to dive in there and put that in. All right, so now you can see I've got the compressor blanket over the top. Those straps run all the way around and make it nice and tight. So now let's fire this thing up and see if we got it any quieter than when it started. So I put the top back on, I plugged that sucker back in, so we should be ready to fire this thing back. So I'm going to go into my phone because I've got a Nest thermostat, and we're going to turn on cooling. So I definitely notice a sound difference. I can't for sure say if it's quieter, but I don't hear the rattling that I heard before, and there was a buzzing sound that I always heard from the, I'm assuming, compressor that I'm not hearing anymore either. The proof, though, is going to be in the decibel meter. So let's set the camera up where it was at the beginning of the video and the decibel meter where it was at the beginning of the video and see if we made any difference. And unfortunately here you can't see it too well on camera, but with all the things we've done, it came out to about 68 decibels. Which, to be honest, was not as much of a sound reduction as I was looking for. However, decibels aren't the only thing when it comes to sound. If you notice the difference between the first sound bite and the second sound bite, I don't have the high-pitched rattling that I was getting before and the buzzing I'm not getting before. So although it may not be substantially quieter, it's definitely less annoying in that I more have a constant drone and not the rattling and buzzing that I had before. So this may or may not be something that you want to do depending upon what kind of sound you're battling with your air conditioner. Now, you notice now I'm standing probably about 15 feet away and I can still hear it, but it's not terrible. Now, if you have any questions about this video, please leave a comment down below. If you liked it, give it a great big thumbs up. If it didn't help you at all, or it steered you away from doing this, at least I saved you some time, so a thumbs up would still be nice. And of course, like we all say, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. And of course, thanks for watching.